How to fix Zelle payment pending too long. To fix the Zelle payment that has been pending for too long, you first of all have to check the recipient details and enrollment. Ask the recipient to check if they use the exact email address or US mobile number you sent the money to. If they have not enrolled with the Zelle yet, the payment will sit in a pending state for up to 14 days until they sign up. So make sure to double check that you did not make a typo in their phone number or email address as well. Now proceed to cancel and resend the payment. Open your banking application, then go to the Zelle Activity or Pending Payments tab. Select the pending transaction and look for the cancel option. You can only cancel if the recipient has not enrolled yet. After canceling, confirm the correct contact details and send the payment again. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.